Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinku Foodies. Today we are baking healthy, easy and delicious apple cake. No refined flour, no refined sugar. This cake is packed with warm chai spice flavors and tastes absolutely amazing. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So we'll start by peeling and grating the apples. We need 3 medium-sized apples. To make this process easier, you can also blend the apples in a blender or mixer. Next, we'll add 2 large eggs. I will add 1 teaspoon chai spice, 1/4 cup sweetener of your choice. I'm adding erythritol, but feel free to use any sweetener you prefer. And 3 tablespoons oil. And 1/4 cup yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt, but any variety of thick creamy yogurt will work as well. Give a good mix till everything is well combined. Keep this aside and now make oat flour. Add 1 1/4 cups of oats into a blender and blend well to make oat flour. And our oat flour is ready. We'll add this to the wet mixture. Along with 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Give it a good mix till everything is well combined. Transfer the batter to a parchment paper lined baking pan. Sprinkle some flaked almonds or any nuts you prefer. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 55 minutes. The apple cake is perfectly baked. We'll let it cool completely. Soft, moist and super yummy, this cake is packed with chai masala flavors. Pair a slice with a cup of chai or coffee and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you've never baked an apple cake with oats, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.